I'm Scott Donaldson. My title is Bus Mechanic 2. So our mission is to provide safe, sustainable, reliable transportation. We provide quality repairs and preventive maintenance for the buses. We have 120. There's 18 routes that have to be run, and we need to ensure that the buses are available at all times. We're 363 days a year, and it's 24/7 here. We have what's called a squawk card, and that's the information provided by the driver. We'll have coolant leaks, overheating buses, the tires have to be maintained, the brakes have to be maintained. We rebuild the engines, we replace transmissions, everything from the front bumper to the rear bumper of the bus. It's not that much different than working on an automobile. It's just kind of the difference between little Legos and toddler Legos. It's just bigger. They all go together the same way. I'm from Fresno originally. I started taking things apart all the way back when I was 8, 9 years old. Just your RC cars, everything. I mean, anything that I got my hands on, I wanted to know how it worked. That's just how I've always been. I have a 5- and a 4-year-old, and they say, "Daddy, there's the buses you work on." And every bus has kind of its own unique personality in a way. You remember each one for a different reason. These buses are kind of like a pseudo family, kind of in a way, because they're ours to take care of and keep, in good shape. I feel a lot of personal pride, being a public servant. I feel good every day. I love this job. It's great. We all work hard. Every one of my colleagues works here as a great team member. If you drive down the street, you're going to see 2 or 3, maybe even 4 or 5 fax buses running around. And we all took a hand in keeping those things going.